Cold. Bonafide Hustler here. E-Money here. And today we're gonna hit up garage sales. There are actually some garage sales out there, and we're gonna go hit them up. We wanna take you guys with us. Let's go! What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from E-Money Spaceship. And today we're here growing our hair out, and we're gonna make some money. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. Make sure you get the free guide, which I'm gonna blast E-Money's head with it. And you can get that down below. Free guide, first link down below, actually. You can learn how to kind of do this, and 50 items that are used that you should be picking up. Go check out the free guide. Okay, so we're gonna go to garage sales. It's kind of dark outside. Let me show you and prove. Here's the proof. There it is, E-Money's hair. Let's see it.
Oh man. I'm pulling it out because it's not long enough.
What do you mean you're pulling? Look at the
forever.
Wow, it's getting pretty good. I don't know if you're Red Bull anymore. I think you might be.
No, I'm still Red Bull. See?
You're still Red Bull?
See?
Let's see.
Man, we're gonna get pitted today on the way to the sales. We're gonna get pitted.
Gosh, look at this. There's no more CHEDDAR.
Are you Red Bull? Look at you. Are you Red Bull?
I am Red Bull. I got some awesome shoes on. Look at these shoes, guys. What do you think? Who wins, E-Money's hair or Bonafide's shoes today? What do you think? Comment down below. That's the first comment. Let's get to the first garage sale. Let's go. All right, we're about to be at our first garage sale. We're listening to some Bone Thugs in Harmony with Mariah Carey, as if that even matters. But yeah, our next garage sale is, or our first garage sale is over here. I'm pointing right to it. I'm pointing. See, I am pointing to where we're going. This way. E-Money, this way. It does not look good at all, but we're here. And we're gonna look. I don't know. This looks terrible.
Oh,
Terrible.
terrible.
E-Money, I say we don't even go to it. No? Yeah, I can't do this. Now, there are a lot of people out there probably be like, that's so rude, you should stop, you should get out. You know, here's the thing. Money in garage sailing comes down to seconds, if not minutes. And if, you know, I go out because I feel bad and I want to go look at their stuff, that might cost me hundreds of dollars down the road today, because that's just how it works. And I can't tell you how many times that we go to a garage sale and resellers or anybody comes up seconds behind us and looks at the same things that we're looking at. So it comes down to seconds and minutes, and I don't have any problem leaving someone's garage sale just like that. So we just did a drive-by. We're gonna go to the next one, and we'll be there in 1 second. Our next garage sale is right over here. The cheddar weather is gracing us. This one looks okay, but I have a feeling we've been here before. I don't know why, it just seems like it. Now the description of this garage sale has some pretty good stuff. So I think I see a power meter. Do I see a power meter? Oh, that's in their lawn.
Yeah, that's their own.
Oh, I thought I was like, seriously, they're selling a power meter, like a little gas meter thing, but that's their lawn. That's like, we can't take that or the house will blow up. Well, this looks actually pretty interesting. So we're gonna go check it out. Okay, funniest freaking thing ever. Is your head spinning, E-Money? What?
Just like kept going on and on. Like I got sucked into like a Nerf black hole.
I know. So there's some Nerf guns in a box over there, and I mean there's a lot of them, but not like a ton of them. And Emerson's like, how much for the whole Nerf gun thing? And she goes, 120 bucks. And I was like, I'm out. So like 120 bucks. She goes, there's at least 300 Nerf bullets in there. I'm like, like that's the determining factor, you know? Is 300 Nerf bullets. Oh my gosh. All right, so next garage sale, let's go. Next garage sale looks pretty much massive. Oh my gosh, I see a little bit of everything here. I even see a bed. E-Money. If we're done with this day, we could just take a freaking nap on this thing.
Why? We have our own.
I don't know.
I mean, you can put it in your house.
I see trinkets.
You can do beds to bucks.
Beds to bucks, man.
It has a good ring to it.
That's what we're gonna go see next. We'll show you if we find anything. Okay, we didn't find anything there. Pretty bad.
Yeah,
so we're gonna go down the road. We're gonna get into the good part of town and see if we can find anything there. Yeah. So we're gonna zip to the good part and make it happen. All right, so the next garage sale is kind of like a shed sale, I guess, or something like that. It's something down here. It's like dumpy looking. I don't know. I don't even think this is gonna be anything, but this is weird. There's supposed to be some sale around here. I don't know where it would be. I don't know. We've picked up things from this general area and they've been good. There was a motorcycle shop here, like, and I made some good money on that one. But I don't know where this garage sale is or whatever. I mean, this is, look at this. We're like almost favela, E-Money. What's going on? Secret base though.
Oh man.
There's a secret base here, E-Money.
Secret base.
E-Money. Secret base.
Secret base.
Secret base.
Well, it's not so secret anymore.
Secret base. Secret base. Oh my gosh, the cheddar is beaming into our rods and cones. I'm telling you, man. It's actually hurting a lot. All right, next stop is this Goodwill. We're getting really frustrated with garage sales, so we'll see if we find anything here. We're gonna have to do 3 thrift stores, maybe even 4, and we'll show you what we find. Hang in there, guys. We're trying to make that cheddar. We're trying super hard. Hey, I figured out, people figured out what I was from Lord of the Rings. You know what his name is? Legolas, or what's it?
Oh, Legolas.
Legolas.
Yeah.
Legolas. Legolas.
Legolas.
No,
he's gotta be.
Dude, almost hit Emerson's car. Okay, so let's go get this Goodwill and make it happen. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. This could be good. Do it your kid comfort, I'll take it. All right, so this is probably worth about 60 plus in town. First cheddar scores. Something smells like this in here. I smell good. Something does not smell good. I don't know. So yeah, I found some cheddar. E-Money put it in the truck for me. We got that backpack. You saw that earlier. Also got this little hippie hoodie, which my wife might want. But yeah, I got a hippie hoodie, which is probably going to resell in the booth for around 30 bucks. Pretty cool. I mean, really nice hoodie. And then we got these X Ultra Salomon with Climate Shield, meaning they are waterproof. Everything that I paid for today was $24. So that kid carry will probably sell for like 80. Hippie hoodie around 30. And then X Ultra shoes about 60 because they are the waterproof edition, or they are waterproof Salomon, you know, trail running shoes. So that's where we are so far. Let's go to the next thrift store. E-Money, are you gonna rescue today or not?
Who knows? I could have one item that rescues everything.
That's true. All right, so at least 2 more thrift stores, maybe even a fourth. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Next Goodwill. Okay. E-Money has to rescue his day. E-Money, you have to rescue your day. I'm a little bit up, but not by much. But yeah, E-Money, you gotta rescue your day.
I know. It could be here.
That's right. Or Red Bull will drop you as a sponsor if you don't rescue your day.
I doubt it. They never would. They would never drop a reseller. Morning.
He's going straight for the shoes. Those shoes to bucks. Ooh, Choco Chacos with toe loop. Let's see, how much? 10 bucks, please? 10 bucks. Oh, pretty good shape. Might have to grab these guys. 10 bucks. Might have to get these, maybe. Are they delaminating? Oh, yes they are. See? You gotta look at the edges. Can you spot it? The delam? There's like a delam right there too. See it? Top right here.
Yeah.
See that? It's separating at the top.
Oh.
So that's a pass. There's a Tierney board.
Super sketch.
We'll grab it. These are so scary.
Oh no, they made it that way.
What do you mean they made it that way?
They moved it.
What do you mean they moved it?
I think they made their own holes on it. No way. I don't even want to.
Do it. Come on.
Anyone that doesn't know what a Tierney board is.
Hold on. Alright, we're trying to make a decision whether to buy the Tierney board or not. I don't know. This could be a pass. This thing is so dangerous.
Here.
I remember riding this thing long, like in a garage, like back in the day. I don't know if it's gonna be. Why is there another hole, like set of holes? Last time I rode it was in a parking garage, and it was like a really weird ride. Pretty cool though, kind of like snowboarding, but just a weird ride. We'll see. All right, got these Chaco Women's 11. I don't know if they're Z1 or Z2s, but either way, they're in really good condition. So that'll be about a $50 sale right there. 10 bucks out the door. Looks awesome. Chaco Sports Sandals. Outdoor items to bucks. Yes. All right, we're on South Congress here in Austin, Texas, the famous South Congress Avenue. There's downtown in the background, and we're gonna go to Meteor, which is kind of a high-priced coffee place, honestly. Anything down here, this is the thing about Austin, Texas. A recent survey came out saying that in order to enjoy Austin, Texas for what it has to offer, the average person has to be making $137,000 a year. Think about that for a second, and just enjoy and experience the town and go to the festivals and like, holy crap! Anyway, so I think it's taken into account like probably some absurd rent number too, which is very common in this town. But anyway, so here we are at Meteor, and it's a coffee shop that has a bike shop attached to it, and it's a coffee shop, little diner, and a bike shop. It's kind of cool. Do you think this place is cool?
Yeah. So, by the way, combined, our incomes are $272,000. Just so you know.
I like how he did that. Nice doubling on that. Yeah. It is an expensive.
Math.
Honestly, it's kind of an expensive town. It's reminding me of like San Fran and things like that. It's getting, I don't know, man. I'm not like super happy about it, but I choose not to go to the super crazy expensive places that have coffee, right, E-Money? Like Thanks, Meteor.
Because I'm paying.
Yeah, E-Money's paying today. I'm making him pay. So we go to the fancy places. I want some lobster bisque, E-Money. That's what I want. I want some surf and turf. You know it's expensive when they leave a Yeti dog bowl outside for the dogs. Alrighties, let's go. Cool. Look at this.
You said two of them?
Two.
And then I have two espressos, two espresso, more coffee, like
Alright, so we got our cortados. We really can't haul it up on here, but looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day today. Here they are. And we're gonna suck them down. And then we'll maybe get tacos? Yeah, when I get tacos after that. We got some Lord of the Rings action going on right here. Some Legolas? What is it? Legolas. Legolas. Anyway. Alright, we're gonna get this down and we'll see you in a second. Alright, Goodwill Boutique. At the boutique, we're not gonna go get tacos just yet. This is the last stop, it looks like. See if we can find anything in this place. Really pay attention in this place because they got some really cool stuff. These are pretty cool. They look good. What a crappy bag, but it could be good. Oh, it's actually built interesting. What is this? Zipper's good. Who knows? Almost looks like there's a hole here, and there is. Too bad. Yeah, because that would have been pretty good. I can tell you in 2 seconds if it's good or not. It's a Summit series. That's not bad.
It's a large.
Is it down? Ooh, this looks interesting.
Yeah.
One second.
Dude, that could be the jacket.
Well, I want it to be all black. I'm not a huge fan of like 2 colors.
Oh, dang it. I wish that was my size.
How much was it?
30.
30?
Yeah. I don't think you understand like how great that series is. Summit series is like, it's the best. Oh, you need that thing. Gosh, that thing is such a champion freaking jacket.
I was not looking to buy a jacket today, but
yeah,
I might have to. Patagonia shorts. I think these are the climbing ones, the crag maybe. Kind of crag looking. Ooh, cool. I like this. So we got some cool stuff. So this is the Neighborhoods of Austin poster. Very famous kind of poster. This one's framed and everything for $9. Oh my gosh, that's going to E-Money's house. He got some slip-on Vans for himself. E-Money's in the hole today. Oh, and he got a little workout shirt for himself.
Yep.
But yeah, this is really neat. I mean, there's so much pride in this town, it's crazy, but yeah, we don't even live in any of these neighborhoods. These are all like the super expensive ones. But anyway, so we live up on the top where the N would be, up there somewhere. Yeah, we can't afford it. But I got that down jacket, this North Face down jacket. It's pretty nice. It's a Summit Series 700 fill down jacket. Got out the door with actually around $21 paying for that one. And then I got a pair of Banana Republic shorts for myself. That's for the summertime. But I think the real sleeper one that you guys can learn about will be this. Let me just get this actual term to this shorts and I'll tell you why.
I was like, Patagonia is not sleeper.
This is a sleeper, and I'll tell you why, because it's actually, let me just make sure pre-owned. All right, cool. So these are called stand-up shorts, right? But they're made out of organic cotton. They're called stand-up shorts, which I believe are a little bit more on the crag and climbing side of shorts. They're goofy looking. They're made out of like this organic cotton slash, I mean, it's like canvas. But this pair of shorts right here that I paid probably $5 out the door for, is gonna sell for 50 to 70 bucks. No problem. So yeah, total sleeper. And they're very hard to like, they look really weird. They almost look like women's Jordache jeans in the back.
Yeah.
They look odd, super odd. You would never know. But yeah, when you see the Patagonia stuff that has like that nice tough like crazy look to
It's
it.
starting to do like this
Yeah.
that style of pocket in the rear,
Yeah, it's really
where it's
cool.
like
So
front to back looking.
yeah, it's pretty neat. So yeah, I'm pretty sure these are vintage ones too because the Velcro looks pretty vintage. Who knows? We'll see. Potentially not, potentially yes, but way worth getting into. All right, let's go get some tacos. So I forgot to get the camera in the truck, but we're here at the Taco Deli. As you can see, I'm about to get some tacos and we'll show you in 1 second. Then we have to go to the booth and then drop off some stuff, USPS and FedEx. That's what's up. Check out our salsas though. Whoa! We are ready. Yeah, right here. I think this is fine right there. Oh, cool. And then some to go.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, thank you. Alrighty, Money, you ready to eat, man?
Yeah, and I'm so happy to have this.
Yeah.
It's been like what, 3 weeks?
Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks.
There we are.
We're here. We've arrived. Actually, we're gonna eat it up. Those tacos are great. Not as good as this USPS truck that I gotta drop some stuff off with, so we're gonna get that done. Howler Brothers vest. What's in this thing? An Orvis jacket that I bought.
Oh, dude, they're literally leaving. I'm just kidding. Ha ha ha.
You jerk.
See, I got you good on that one.
Did you smush me?
No.
Oh.
I told you that they were leaving. I got you.
Alright, we're here at the booth and we're gonna do a drop off of things. Nothing crazy, but the one thing that we're actually here for is because the other, like a week, maybe a week and a half ago, someone came into my booth and bought every single window pane that I had. So that's a good thing. It's a good problem to have, but I need to assess kind of like the damage to see what I need to put back in because we have about 22 more window panes on the side of E-Money's house that we could put back in. So I need to see what really is left over. Did they pick all of them up? But I got a call from the booth one day saying like someone's buying all of them. So it was like a day that E-Money and I made, I don't know, right around 360 bucks or something like that. So I'm also going to be putting these boots into the booth right here. Picked these up for pretty cheap. I think they were like less than 10 bucks. These are Larry Mahan's women's boots, two-tone, awesome. We're asking around 60 bucks for those. That awesome Moose Lodge duck sweater. E-Money, do you want to keep this for yourself?
No, I'm
$3 looking
not
for around.
really a fan of
Anyways,
Moose Lodge.
yeah, this was a $3 Savers find, and it's going to be selling for around 35 or so. And then there's one more thing. Oh yeah, it says Bud Light mirror back here. You can't really see it. I'll pull it out here in 1 second. Bud Light mirror slash, I don't know, chalkboard thing. So that's going in as well. And I'll be asking closer to like 80 for this thing.
Yep.
It's spoken here.
It's spoken here.
Okay, we have this many windows. E-Money. So we sold 8. And we have only 3 left, so we can bring in like maybe 8. Okay, so putting this stuff up. Is there a boot slot? Take this down. Here. Doesn't look pretty, but it's good enough. This is how fast the booth goes down. It's pretty much all we do. What about this, E-Money? What's the first thing you think about? Hey, what's the first thing you think about E-Money when you see this?
I think of like Peter Rabbit.
Peter Rabbit? Oh, okay. Put that there. Alright, so there's the booth. Now we kind of know we've assessed it. We're going to know what to bring next time. Let's get out of here. Alright, so that's the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought I found some pretty cool things, and so did E-Money. Anyways, hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye!